Hello students, let's begin the lesson 4 Heat from the book of NCERT Standard 7. Can you imagine how cold the earth would be if there were no sun? The sun is the earth's main source of heat. Only little of the sun's heat reaches on the earth. However, this is enough for life to exist on the earth. Other sources of heat are fire, electric heater, etc. In this lesson, you will learn about the heat and its measurement. The sun, fuel, electricity and mechanical works are sources of heat. Let us perform an experiment. We keep an aluminium sheet out under sun and touch after some time. We then place the same aluminium sheet inside the house. Touch the sheet after some time. In the first case, we will feel hot, and in the second case, we will feel cold. Let us do another experiment. The sun gives heat. Yes, we all know. Use a magnifying glass to focus sunlight on a piece of white paper. At the position where the sunlight is focused, the paper becomes hot, starts to turn brown, and soon bursts into flame. Thus, the heat from the sun makes the paper burn. Man can generate heat by burning wood, coal, and gas, which are called fuels. Fuels burn in machines, make them work. A motor car and aeroplane run by burning fuel. Electricity also gives heat. Man use electricity to cook food and to work the machines. Heat can be produced by rubbing two things together. Rub the palms of your hands together. What do you feel? You feel that it is hot. Now let us perform an activity to understand the direction of heat flow. Let us place a glass of hot milk in a bowl of cold water. After some time, milk gets cold and water gets warm. Both milk and water come to lie at the same temperature. Direction of flow of heat is from hot to cold. Now, we will learn the concept of temperature. So, what is temperature? Temperature is the measurement of hotness or coldness of an object. We often say water from fridge is cold and milk is hot. How much cold water is or how much hot milk is? Is it cooler than ice or milk is hotter than boiling water? Obviously, for this we need a measure to know about coldness and hotness of a body. When a substance is heated, its temperature rises. On cooling, the temperature comes down. Degree of hotness or coldness in a body is described as its temperature. The table shows the difference between heat and temperature. Heat is a form of energy, whereas temperature is a measure of heat energy level. Secondly, heat energy raises the temperature of a body, but temperature decides the direction of flow of heat. Heat flows from a body of higher temperature to the body of lower temperature. Thirdly, heat is measured in joules, whereas temperature is measured in measured in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit or Kelvin.